There aren't many reasons to use nail polish in the workshop, but here's one of them. Many tools come with markings that are virtually impossible to read. Wire strippers with little gauge numbers there. Many squares have numbers and graduations that are hard to read. Sockets in particular. Here's a 13 millimeter socket. I mean, I don't know if it's me or what, but that's virtually impossible to read. So we're going to highlight it with white nail polish. So shake it up, make sure it's mixed well, and just brush it on. You don't have to worry about if it's a little sloppy because most of this is going to come off in a second or two. And brush it on, nice coating over the entire area. And we're going to let this rest for a minute. You don't want to let it get completely dry. We want it to set up for a few seconds. Let me show you now this square. Again, numbers are pretty big and relatively easy to read. But look at that. Once it's highlighted, how much easier it is to see those little graduation lines. So that's what the white nail polish really does for you. Okay, it's only been a few seconds. Let's see how that works. Look at that. 13 millimeters, clear as a bell.